We got a squeak going on at idle at cold temperatures of 45 degrees. And the engine warms up, that goes away. We're going to replace the belt and both idlers on the belt drive, the tension idler and the non-tension idler. See what happens. Is that our problem? Well, maybe it's power steering pump. Maybe it's fan hub. Maybe it's the alternator. We're going to do the easiest item first. Well, the first thing we notice in the Gates kit with belt, tensioner, and tensioner pulley is that it comes with like a parts tray to put your stuff in that you work on your project. I guess because there's no individual, this isn't for packing, though the stuff was laying in here in the box in a plastic bag. There's nothing that would fit in those things other than as you take bolts and things off, you got a place to store them. That's sort of a handy idea. It's flimsy. Throw it away when you're done. Recycle it, whatever. Let's see how it goes. The new one's in place. All we have to do is find the torque spec, torque it down, and move on to the other idler pulley. Here's an issue. I heard a little ka-ching when I took the pulley off. This washer fell down to the fan shroud. Which side did it come off? The front side or the back side? The amount of dirt that's on it, it looks like it came off the back side. This is pretty clean on the front, but maybe it's because of that. Then here's the new one. It doesn't come with one. So gonna have to do some research before we put it back in. Okay, according to our good folks at A1 Auto's videos, we take the washer, the flared part goes down in like that. And the bolt goes on there, and you can actually see where the bolt was by the ring around it. And that's the way it fits. One guy on another video showing it on the back side. He had a washer on each side, whatever vehicle he was working on, but it popped up under this one, the 2006 Chevrolet Trailblazer. But I could tell by the engine compartment it was not the same as this one. So washer in the front, and sort of goes backwards from the way it looks. But this is the correct way right here. Okay, we got our new idlers on there and our new belt, and got to take our wrench off. But we're ready to crank up and see if we're squeaky. Stand by. Oh man, we don't have any noise going on. Amazing, or is it amazing? The noise is coming from this area. The only other thing I would have thought was power steering. Their new Gates belt on there. Yeah, sounding good. Oh, it doesn't sound at all like it's going. That is good. Alright, this is the picture. Over now. Thank you for watching the repair of the 2006 Chevrolet Trailblazer. I recommend that you watch multiple videos when working on your vehicles, because there's always something left out. This is The Fixer. Appreciate you watching. Look forward to you doing some videos of your own. Teach me how to do something. Have a great day.